In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your voice chat and mic's not working in Apex Legends on the Xbox One or Xbox Series S or X. So, the first thing you want to do is press start on your controller, and you want to go up to squad and just ensure that you haven't accidentally muted your teammates. Now, since these are bots, I can't see the mute icon, but if you have teammates, you'll be able to unmute them here. Then, what you want to do is press and hold the start button in game, and you want to go to settings and audio at the top. Now you want to ensure master volume's turned up in game, and where it says voice chat, just underneath it, you're going to see open mic record threshold, and you want to ensure that this isn't turned up too high. Otherwise, your mic isn't going to be activated while speaking to it in game. So turn the setting down and see if you can see these mic volume bars indicating it's working. And if it's still not working, what you want to do now is press the X button on your controller, and we're going to scroll down and you want to go to audio and music. Now, from here, ensure your headset mic is turned on. And if there's a mute toggle on your actual headset, ensure that's not accidentally turned on. Now, you want to ensure your headset volume's turned up right here. And same thing goes on your actual headset if you have a volume dial. And for the headset chat mixer, you want it somewhere in the middle, or else you're only going to be able to hear your teammates or just the game audio. So once you've set it like this, turn up your mic monitoring and you should get some feedback to hear what your mic sounds like. And if you still don't hear anything, what I recommend you do now is go back and we're going to go to home. And then once you're in home, you want to go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. And from general, we're going to scroll over and go to volume and audio output. Now you want to ensure your speaker audio says headset format at the top. It should change automatically. And for headset format right here, you want it on stereo uncompressed or Windows Sonic for headphones for most headphones. Now, once you've done that, you can go to additional options under advanced. And for these settings here, make sure your party chat output is set to headset and speakers, or just your headset if you're using a headset. Then you can go to chat mixer, and I recommend you change this to reduce the volume of other sounds by 50%, or change it to do nothing. Now, once you've done that, if you've changed all of these settings and you notice that it's still not working in game, I would have a look at your actual headset, ensure it's plugged into your controller properly, as well as maybe swapping out your controller or headset to see if that's the issue. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.